Hello 7-8A. Today is Monday, June the 1st, and this week in online math, we're going to learn some algebra. To introduce that, we're going to talk about the parts of an equation. So up here we have an equation that says 3x minus 6 equals 9. Now with an equation, what's on one side of the equal sign is the same as what's on the other side of the equal sign. So that means that 3x minus 6 is the same as 9. It has the exact same value. So when we look at an equation, we need to understand the three different terms that go along with it. So the first term is called the variable. And the variable is defined as being the symbol for a number that we don't know yet. So in this case, it's x. We don't know the value of x right now just by looking at it. So the variable is x. Our second term is the constant. And the constant is just the number or a number on its own. There could be more than one constant in an equation. So by looking here at that equation, we can see that we have two different constants. So I'm going to draw an arrow from constant to the 6 and to the 9. Those are both the constants in this equation. And the thing that's important to remember about a constant is that it never changes. So the 6 is always going to remain a 6, and the 9 is always going to remain a 9. Okay? Our third term is the coefficient. And it's the number used to multiply or divide a variable. So here, it's the 3. We're either going to multiply the variable, which is x, or divide by 3. I'm sorry if this is a little confusing to look at, but that's it right there. Those are the three terms that we need to know when looking at an equation. So what's going to happen is, once you're done watching this video, you will find an activity on our website for you to look at equations, and I want you to be able to identify where the variable is in the equation, where the constant is, and where the coefficient is. Okay? So we'll catch up with you next time and learn a little bit more about equations.